Hi, in this video I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of our Bee Editor. The Bee Editor is an editor which will allow you to edit and create your own email templates. Okay? And this editor all works off a drag and drop. It's super user friendly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Marketing tab and we're going to click on Email Marketing. This brings us to this tab here where we're located within Campaigns and the Campaign sub-tab. And so within this is going to be where you can edit each of your individual campaigns and change the content for those campaigns and create your different lists for those campaigns and those types of things. But for what we're going to be doing, we're going to be clicking on templates because we're going to be building email templates using the Bee Editor. Okay, and so from here, we're going to click on this Add a New Template button, and we're going to click on this Default Email Marketing Template. And so we'll just click Add on this. And then we're going to give this a name. So we're going to be creating this YSite or YMCA email template for the blue-purple color scheme. So we're going to say YSite blue-purple. Okay, and then from here we can see that this right here is the Bee Editor. So this is going to be where you can actually create that email template. First off, we can see that this area, this frame, is going to be where you can actually create the email template in terms of positioning different rows, putting different content in place, and those types of things. Okay, and so this is going to be where all of the email template shows up as you're building it. Now off to the right hand side we have a few different tabs. The first off is Content, the next one is Rows, and then Settings. So content is obviously going to be all content related types of things. Rows are going to be the elements that allow you to actually create the structure of your email template. And then settings are just going to give you some general settings in terms of creating some defaults and setting the widths, so such as like the background color, the default background color, default content area background color, and so on. So, and as I mentioned, this all works off a drag and drop, so you can simply just click on this and drag it into your window, and then you can see it even says drag it here, and you can just let it go. And so it all works off a drag and drop. And you can delete it just like that. Now we'll be getting into more of the specifics of content, rows, and settings in different videos. Okay, but so for this video we're just going to be focusing on what does this editor actually do and giving you a quick overview. So now from here we can see that we have this Actions tab, and this allows us to preview the actual email template. So within this we have two different modes, the desktop and mobile mode, and that's just going to give you the different views for what the template is going to look like on a desktop and on a mobile. Okay. And then lastly, we have the Show Structured button, which is going to allow you to see these dashed lines. This is going to give you an idea of where the structure lies. So currently we have one row in here, and we see this dashed line going all the way to the edge of the frame, and so that means this is our first row. Okay, so these dashed lines are indicating rows along with content areas. So we can see that there's a dashed line around the inside of this row as well. And so this is going to be where the content area is, whereas these are just kind of the outer edges of the row itself. Okay. Alright, so feel free to watch our following video. The next video is going to cover the rows and settings options here. So, thank you.